Well, the lovely afternoon that we saw today with the sunshine did warm us up quite nicely, well above average for the temperatures. Grants Pass made it up to 58 degrees, Medford made it up to 57, and Klamath Falls saw a high near 50 degrees. And notice just how far above average we are. That's about 10 degrees above average for all locations on the board. But temperatures currently cooling down just a little bit. Lower 50s at this time for Medford, middle 40s for Siskiyou County, 46 degrees for both Montague and Mount Shasta, near 40 degrees for Klamath Falls, and along the coast in the middle 50s for both Brookings and Crescent City at 54 degrees. So looking at the satellite and radar, you can see a few high clouds still continuing to move through, a few pockets of clear skies in southern Jackson County and western Siskiyou County, but also notice it's picking up on just a few showers showing up now in Josephine County, but most of that is not reaching the ground, and if we are seeing that reach the ground, it's just falling as a few sprinkles. So rain is not going to be a concern for tonight or throughout the day for tomorrow on Saturday. We will see a few clouds though throughout the overnight hours into start the day for Saturday tomorrow. So here's the stormcast for the next 48 hours. And you can see the model is picking up on the cloud cover, but it's not picking up on the showers that we're seeing on radar. So we'll put this into motion for you and notice clearing skies throughout the overnight hours, a few clouds possible later on tonight, and then throughout the day for Saturday, seeing lots of sunshine by the afternoon hours. And then by Sunday, more mostly sunny skies, and temperatures will continue to be mild as high pressure remains in control. Because high pressure is still in control and we have not seen a big change in the weather pattern, that air stagnation advisory continues until next Tuesday at 11 o'clock in the morning, and that includes a very large portion of southern Oregon. So if you are planning on spending some time outdoors this weekend with the nice weather that we'll be having, just go ahead and check the air quality and make sure everything looks all right. For tomorrow along the coast, temperatures in the 60s for highs, so still well above average. 60 degrees the high for Gold Beach, 64 degrees for Brookings, partly cloudy skies, very light and variable winds for tomorrow. That also carries over into Northern California. A little bit of patchy fog is possible in the morning for the Shasta Valley, but by the afternoon hours, mostly sunny skies. Highs will be in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Even for the Klamath Basin, another day with very mild temperatures, mostly sunny skies for Chiloquin and for Klamath Falls. In fact, all locations in the basin, highs will be in the lower to middle 50s. As for the high terrain, 55 degrees the high for Prospect, Butte Falls 56. And of course, we appreciate the warm temperatures, but that is not something that is helping our snowpack. And for the Rogue Valley, temperatures in the middle to upper 50s for Saturday. A little bit of fog possible tomorrow morning and a few clouds in the morning hours, but we will be seeing sunshine by the afternoon and otherwise partly cloudy skies. For the next 7 days along the coast, mostly sunny by Sunday. Still 65 degrees for the high, lower 60s though for Monday, and a few showers are possible come Wednesday. That's going to be a very weak storm system that is moving through. Models still in disagreement about the strength and the timing of that system, so just a few showers in the forecast for Wednesday. And for Northern California, looking dry for the next 7 days. Mostly sunny skies for Sunday, 62 degrees for the high, still in the 60s for the start of the work week on Monday. For the Klamath Basin, highs keeping it above average, 57 degrees the high for Monday, 53 degrees for Tuesday. Mostly sunny skies return by next Thursday. And for the high terrain, a few sprinkles possible for Wednesday. Otherwise, mostly cloudy skies for both Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then for the Rogue Valley, temperatures a little more mild throughout the overnight hours. We're not seeing those temperatures hovering around freezing. They'll be a little bit warmer in the upper 30s and lower 40s. And that also carries over into afternoon temperatures, highs in the upper 50s by the end of the weekend.
Very nice. Thank you very much.